I'd like to welcome everyone to Patuxent High School. I'm the principal, Anthony Barone, and I want to thank you for coming out tonight. I know everyone has a busy schedule, and I appreciate you making time for me and my staff. Here at Patuxent High, we try to be the best at everything that we do, and we are in many ways the best. For instance, we had 6 teachers this past year who beat the state and global averages in their scores. 70% of our students take either an honors or AP class. So if your student is not involved in one of those, please push them to do so in the future. We want kids taking the most rigorous courses that they can here at Patuxent High to improve their skills for after they leave us. Also, there's other ways that they can get involved through extracurricular activities. We have a state championship theater program they can be a part of, and many of our athletic teams have competed on the state and regional level. So make sure that they find what they're interested in. ROTC is still taking students, and so is the SGA. So if they're not involved in the student government, please help them to get involved. And whatever it is, help them find their way. Whether they join a CTE program, whatever their interests are, we want to get them involved at Patuxent High. Also, parents can get involved by joining the PTSO. Our PTSO does a lot to improve the environment here at the school and help staff and students enjoy their time here. So please take some time, stop by their table this evening and get information on how you can become a member. Again, my name is Anthony Barone. Stop by in the hallways, introduce yourself, shake my hand. I'd love to meet you. Thanks again for coming out tonight.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Patuxent High School. I'm Mr. Forrest. I'm the assistant principal for 9th grade and 12th grade. I'm super excited to be speaking to you this evening about the high expectations we have for your students here at Patuxent High. They have really raised the bar within just 1 week of being here. I'm super excited about the leadership that our seniors are showing throughout all the underclassmen, and I'm really excited. If the first week is any testament to what we have to look forward to, this 9th grade class is going to be very special. So I want to give a special thanks to everyone that came out tonight, all the teachers that are here to let you know kind of what they're doing in their classroom and to set the expectation for us to have a stellar school year. I'm super excited to be here. It's a privilege for me to serve you, to serve your students and the staff here at Patuxent High School. Again, I'm Mr. Forrest. Have a great night.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Bell. I'm the 10th grade administrator, and I'm also in charge of testing. So testing would include PSAT, AP, and state testing. PSAT is offered on October 18th to all sophomores free of charge, and 9th, 11th, and 12th graders are able to pay, but we have ended registration. But you are so lucky tonight because you can go to the main lobby and you can register and pay the $18 fee if you miss the registration period. AP testing also is attached to AP Classroom, so if you have an AP student, please make sure that they are enrolled in AP Classroom. Also state testing, if a student is in English 10, biology, algebra 1, geometry, algebra 2, or government, they are going to have an exciting state test this year, so stay tuned. If you have any questions, please see Mrs. Bell.
Good evening. My name is Ann Rickwood, assistant principal. I am the 11th grade administrator and I am the IEP chairperson. I want to welcome you back to another wonderful school year. I want to remind everybody to get connected. We have a number of social media accounts and we would like for you to use our QR codes, get connected, like, follow, subscribe, and make sure you're in the know. So have a great year, PAX Nation, and we look forward to seeing you on social media.
Good evening. I'm Lori Pellock. I'm actually new here at PAX. I'm the Student Services Team Lead, which involves things like the chairperson of all of the 504 plans here at the school, and also to provide a lot of support for our AP students, especially those who are taking AP courses for the first time. Also included amongst many other things here at PAX, Ms. Johnson and I had the PBIS team. PBIS is basically a nationwide program that provides positive supports to help our school climate be the best that it can be for our staff, students, and community. Some of the things that PBIS does, just in case you needed to know when we ask for donations, would be things like monthly raffles, candy, prizes the students can use PROW tickets for, which are things that support positive behaviors here at the school. We have some free homecoming dance tickets coming, and we also have a thrift store made here right at the school that students can use their tickets towards. So if you could help our community and PAX Nation, we have a table up in the front lobby that has a donation list for Amazon to help us get started this school year. Thank you for your support. I hope to meet all of you tonight. Have a good evening.
Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Powell, the athletic director at Patuxent. I'd like to welcome everybody to back to school night. A couple of things from the athletic front. Our tickets are online tickets are on sale on GoFan. You can buy individual game tickets or you can buy season passes for adults and students, so please check that out. We do accept cash at home games, but we do prefer that you buy your tickets online. Most of the away games, they only take online tickets, so get used to doing that. Our games are also live streamed on the NFHS network, so please check that out also. This Thursday, we are hosting a varsity soccer doubleheader. Girls start at 4:30, boys at 6. And this Friday, we will be hosting Huntingtown in varsity football. So hope to see you there at 7 o'clock. If you guys have any questions tonight, please find me in the hallway.